Yeah, so the caller asked, once somebody has passed away, then what happens? Do they live the life in the grave until the Day of Judgment, or do they go straight to Jannah? And the answer is, once we have passed away, the soul lives in the life, or what's known as the barzakh. The barzakh literally means a barrier, and it's the barrier between this life, when we are alive here, and the Day of Judgment and the Akhirah. So all of that time between when somebody dies and the Day of Judgment is known as the life of the barzakh, and this life of the grave. Within that, we know the Prophet ﷺ said that a person who is from the people of Jannah, his grave or her grave will be made rawdatan min riyadil Jannah, gardens from the gardens of Jannah. And also they will be shown a window in the grave, and it will be said to them that this would have been your place in Jahannam had you have been from the people of Jahannam. And so essentially they will be living, their soul will be in Jannah whilst their body is still in the grave as such. So they'll be living that life until the Day of Judgment, and that's when everybody will be resurrected.